A complete computer guide. Welcome to KD Production. Today I have come with number system. Viewers, if you have not seen my previous videos of number system, then first watch those videos, then it will be easy for you to understand. For that you have to go to my channel KD Production, click on the playlist. Within the playlist you get a playlist of number system. By opening that you can watch the first and second videos of number system. Those videos will help you to understand this video. Today, in third part of number system, I am going to teach you binary arithmetic. Before starting binary arithmetic, you must know the binary value of all the numbers from 0 to 15. It will help you to solve the calculation quickly. Here, you can see the binary of 0 is 0, the binary of 1 is 1, the binary of 2 is 10, the binary of 3 is 11, the binary of 4 is 100, the binary of 5 is 101, the binary of 6 is 110, the binary of 7 is 111, the binary of 8 is 1000, the binary of 9 is 1001. You must know that the numbers from 10 to 15 is represented by A to F. The binary of A is 1010, the binary of B is 1011, the binary of C is 1100, the binary of D is 1101, the binary of E is 1110, the binary of F is 1111. Binary addition. We know that in any addition, we move the calculation from right to left. Here, you can see in most right position there is 1 and 1, so, the addition of 1 and 1 is 2 in decimal that we know, but we have to write it in binary. The binary 2 is 10, so, here, we have to put 0 and 1 is in carry of another number. Again the addition of 1 and 1 is 10, so, we have to write here 0 and 1 is in the carry of another number. Now, in another number of left side, numbers are 1 and 1 and 1. After adding these three we get 3 is decimal, but we have to write it in binary, that is 11. So, we have to write here 1 and 1 is in the carry of another number. Now, in another number of left side, numbers are 1 and 1 and 1. After adding these three we get 3 is decimal, but we have to write it in binary, that is 11. So, we have to write here 1 and 1 is in the carry of another number. Now, in another number of left side, numbers are 1 and 1 and 1. After adding these three we get 3 is decimal, but we have to write it in binary, that is 11. Now, finally, we get the addition result, that is 111100. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, you can see in example two binary numbers are here. 1111 is subtracted from 11011. In rightmost position, 1 is subtracted from 1, that you know result is 0. Similarly again in left of that number 1 is subtracted from 1, then again the result is 0. After that, 1 is not subtracted from 0. In that case we have to take borrow from left side number, then that number is 10. After subtracting 1 from 10 we get 1 in result. After that, again 1 is not subtracted from 0. In that case we have to take borrow from left side number, then that number is 10. After subtracting 1 from 10 we get 1 in result. So, the final result is 1100. Now, we will see another example of subtraction. In this, 11111 is subtracted from 110001. In rightmost digit, 1 is subtracted from 1, then the result is 0. After that, 1 is subtracted from 0. Then it has to take borrow, but here is 3 zeros. So, first 0 take borrow, then it will be 10, another zero's position, there is 1 likewise, in decimal subtraction there is 9 in zeros position. So, at first 10 minus 1 then the result is 1, in another left digit 1 minus 1 then the result is 0, similarly in another left 1 minus 1 then the result is 0. Now in another left digit 0 minus 1 is impossible, so it take borrow, then 10 minus 1 is 1. Then the final result is 10010. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication that we do in mathematics, but only one difference is that here is binary numbers, and in the process of binary multiplication we have to do binary addition. I guess that one is tough for you all. Here is the multiplication of 111 and 111. I said earlier that the multiplication is same like decimal multiplication. So, I am leaving this task for you. Inside, I have written the clue of it. I hope you can do it. Binary division. Here in example you can see, 1,10,111 is divided by 11, so, at first it is divided by 1, so in quotient we will write 1, then the remainder is 0. After that 0 comes down because it is not divisible, so in quotient we will write 0. After that 1 comes down, it is also not divisible, so again we will write 0 in quotient. After that, 1 comes down, then it will be 11 that is divisible by 11, then in quotient we will write 1. Now, remaining 1 comes down, again it is not divisible, so we have to write 0 in quotient. So, the final quotient is 10010 and remainder is 1. Likewise you can divide binary numbers. Students, if you have any confusion then you can write in comment. One student commented to write about short trick of conversion. So, I am going to say you that trick. If you know this trick then you cannot do any mistake on conversion. You know that in any conversion there is a right hand side and left hand side. If decimal is in the right side of number system then you have to multiply the left side number by the base of left side number. If decimal is in the left side of number system then you have to divide the left side number by the base of right side number. If you have any confusion to do conversion or multiply and divide then you can watch my first and second video of number system. And also watch my channel for other related videos. This channel includes number system, Windows desktop application, basic terms of computer, multiple choice questions, qbasic tutorials, shorts, some live videos, and at last, songs. So watch them and enjoy. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.